You're bidding on a 1999 Volvo NG64 tractor with day cab. This well-maintained unit has 340,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a million-mile Detroit 11.1 400 horsepower diesel engine. It's air-conditioned, has Jake brakes, air-ride suspension, 2 air-ride seats, and a 9-speed Road Ranger transmission. All inspections and services are up to date. This Volvo tractor will be sold by Auctions United on Friday, December 13th on the property site at 7 John Davenport Drive in Rome, Georgia. There is a 10% buyer's premium added to the final bid. You can bid with confidence with Auctions United. Call Auctions United at 800-222-5003 for more information. Auctions United. Your trust deserves our very best.